one hot EP is not enough to make you take over dancehall music. Now Alkaline just come out with this new album here, and Missy said it reached #1 on iTunes for one day. Everybody jump on the thing and say yes, it #1 on iTunes and all them thing that #1 on iTunes for one day. That was it. People, I don't like when you come and talk shagries in this day and age where information is so prevalent. iTunes is not hiding from anybody. Billboard is not hiding from anybody. You know, them used to say, if you want trick a black man or black people, or you hide the real information in our book. Because them say we never used to open the book them and read. Alright, so we move from the book them now and we're gone into information age, technology age. Everything is technological, so everything is online, right? Although there is also a lot of false information online. But scratch that. Everything is online concerning here, where people are talking about Alkaline album gone new level unlocked, gone #1 on iTunes. They are #1 on iTunes. Let me tell you, when me look up the thing, you see, 24 hours after it was released, the thing was no longer #1 on iTunes. It slipped and slipped and slipped and slipped, and it go down and I go down and keep on going down on iTunes. Alright people, welcome to SouFLoTV again. It is your host with the most. No long talking, right into the thing. What shall we come to talk about today? We come today to talk about the reason why Alkaline will not be or is not ready to be the top of the dancehall heap yet. He is not ready to be the frontline runner yet. He's not ready to take over the position of a person like a Vybz Kartel yet. Because la da da dee da. Alright, here we go. So, before I start off, let me say this. Big up to every Alkaline fan out there. Because, here what? I rate you know. I rate you because I really go hard and support the man. You understand what I say? I don't know if you're not going to support the man, I really go buy him CD, him EP off of iTunes, because that is where the real support come in. So if you're up on here, SouFLoTV, I cuss me out and I tell me if you're going to suck out and I'm so and so, because you are so in love with your Alkaline, then hopefully you have that much passion enough to go spend your little, I say for $9.99, go spend your $9.99 US and buy the man CD or EP and make your artist powers show in sales, right? We're not talking about that still, because I know them sales there on iTunes and them charts that really run things for we. But I talk about in the street, because I know the SouFLoTV thing, they are ground level. Although we take off and we still they are ground level. So, you know what? The thing I don't like about most of these Alkaline fans is they are very irrational. Irrational, meaning there's no reasoning there. And what I'm getting to find out is, majority of them are like 16, 17, 18, 19 years old. But remember when we did at them age there to 16, 17, 18, 19, nobody couldn't tell me nothing. Head hot. No behavior. No one here, nothing from nobody. So it seems like I saw most of them still. So when them start talking about Alkaline now, they don't talk about the man with no reasoning. Like for instance, he's young. Like for instance, I'm only 22, I go up 23 years old. Like for instance, I'm still relatively new to the business. Like for instance, him get a little visa and fly out, him go tour a couple places, but him not really mash Jamaica hard like that. Except for the youngins them who MTV, BET and TV, cable TV capture their mind. So they want to see somebody where hide from them. Because Alkaline really and truly hide from the people in Jamaica. Now, here are a couple reasons why Alkaline from SouFLoTV people make we get into the thing. Here are a couple reasons why Alkaline will not be taking over dancehall. Not in 2016. Maybe 2017. I don't want you to call me a hater, because I've said this before and I will say it again. I would like to see the young youth come, do some really big things, and able to bust huge across the globe and can take care of people them, so we can say, yeah man, watch a little youth there, watch a youth, or them rise and come busting at the place big and them thing there. But that now is not his time. Hear why, people. One video is not one hot video, but one hot EP or one hot album is not enough to make you take over dancehall music. Tunes. I think right now, actually, I'm gonna pull up the computer right now and look it up. This is what I'm saying. I like people who are going like them don't have no sense, just listening to everything that people tell you when you can just simply go up on the computer. See that? Simply go up on the computer and go type in iTunes charts. Type in iTunes chart top dancehall reggae album. And you're gonna see which part of the thing there. It says it right here, people. We don't have to go too far to find the thing. Watch this. Now I'm gonna tell you who the iTunes top. Right now. I run a place. See that? No lie, me I tell you. iTunes top 100 reggae album. Alright? Watch this. iTunes top 100 reggae album right now, and if you don't know, iTunes don't have reggae separated from dancehall. iTunes top 100 reggae albums. Check this out. Legend, remastered, Bob Marley and the Wailers. So big up to Bob Marley. Bob Marley still a run our blood clean iTunes. And they say buy it on Amazon. Buy the album here. All this album costs more than Alkaline album at $14.99 US. $15 US for Bob Marley album. Legend Deluxe Edition. So Bob Marley is at number 1 and number 2 with albums. And at the same album, one is remastered and the other one is the deluxe edition. Number 3, Rose Petals EP by J Bug. Alright? Me don't even know who names so. See that? Number 4. Me not lie. See that? Number 4, it's Slip Gone. So number 4 is New Level Unlocked by Alkaline. It has 15 songs on it, and it was released on March 25th, 2016, and you can buy it. See that now? Everything. You can buy it for $9.99 US. $9.99 US for thing. So, I don't know, makeup, fake up thing me I telling you. So when time people are coming and talk about the man song, the man album there, number 1, watch out, number 5, Set in Stone by Stick Figure, Port Jamaica. Me never know nobody named Stick Figure. Watch out, number 6, Bob Marley and the Wailers again. Number 7, A Time Bomb by Iration. Number 8, A Revolution, Courage to Grow. Number 9, Where We Come From by Popcorn. And that released from 2014, June 10th, and still up on iTunes top 10. So, when we come out with talk, when we say Alkaline is not ready to lead out dancehall yet, people are going to say, yo, you are a hater of SouFLoTV, come and get it all the time. Man even get so intense about it that them call me Batman, but for them icon picture where them have up is a man. Alkaline are them icon picture. So I am up a next man picture. You cuss out other man because them critique the man artistic work, and you call man homosexual and Batman, refer to man as Batman. When me I pull up proof and I'm showing you that, see that? Popcorn released this album here with 13 tracks from 1 year ago, almost, and I'm still up on iTunes top 10 charts. And Alkaline just released this 5 days ago, and him already slipped down at number 4. So you think say next year I'm still gonna do at number 4? You must slip off at the top 10. You see it? And you can look at this and see also. You can also see the number 1 singles and all that. So them say yeah, him song there, him album don't they are number 1, right? But him singles them they are number 1. They are not. Him singles that they are number 1 for iTunes, either Papa. You know what I say? See the chart there now? iTunes reggae charts as of today. And this release in a 2000. Shaggy, Angel is number 1. Shaggy, It Wasn't Me is number 2. Bumbleclad, Shaggy Lockdown iTunes singles 1 and 2 spot. Number 3, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 4, Hello, a reggae cover by Concara and Rosie Delma. Now you know them people there. Number 5, Red Red Wine, 12-inch version by UB40. Number 6, This Is Love by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 7, Three Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 8, Could You Be Loved by Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 9, One Day by Mati Sayu. I think is the Jewish youth there where I do some reggae music. Number 9, Mati Sayu, One Day. Number 10, Jamming, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 11, People Get Ready, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 12, Buffalo Soldier, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 13, No Woman No Cry, live 1975, Bob Marley and the Wailers. Number 14, Welcome to John Rock, artist Damien Jr. Gang Marley. Number 15, Bam Bam by Sister Nancy. Number 16, Turn Me On by Kevin Licker. Number 17, iTunes, may I show you, as of today, as of today, the last day in March of 2016. Them here are the top singles that are being sold, and you notice me not mention not one of friggin' Alkaline song them fire. So, for the people them where I said the man thing reached that far and thing, him don't have what it takes right now in a them the thing as far as sales is concerned. Now let's talk about as far as the people them that he would have to pass before and the things he would have to do. Bring a real reasoning to the table. Alkaline never stand up on stage yet and clash anybody yet. And me no want to hear no, I am not a clash artist. Me no want to hear none of that. Because the people them will come run reggae dancehall music are the people them will go up on the stage and pay them dues. One time, Vybz Kartel said, him and the man about the place and that him a run the place. Hear what? Him have to come out on stage as thing, you see, and confront the next man, Gully God. When Gully God say, I know you are run the place, my youth, and me a run the place. My boy say, alright, meet me over Sting then, because that's how we are going to settle it in front of the people. Them said that to Alkaline the other day. Guess what happened? The man goes up. 2 visa please. Me and my bands. Go. Just like this. 2 visa please. Me and my bands. Gone. Flash out. I know the man not performing at Jamaica again yet. What are you hiding from? Because you see, in Jamaica, it is a very rough and rugged sport this dancehall thing is. And some people are really built for this. Some people are not built for this. It's just like the youth that we keep on clocking all this fast time. Everything good, it's like everybody can sing in them shower, You sound good, you sound just like Adele when you sing our song them in the shower. You know what I say? You sound just like Bob Marley when you sing him song them in the shower. You sound just like Sizzler. I gotta take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I'm a shower voice that. See? Me are singing in the shower. So, when time you come out of the shower now and you go up on a stage in front of people and the spotlight lick you, is a different story. Can you perform up to the standard? So I don't think Alkaline have that. And I think he's afraid. Hear what me I said. This is SouFLoTV's views. Okay, I want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe as usual. I want you to leave your comment down there and we could talk about this. We don't need no disrespect around here because just as easy as you can tell me about go suck out under my mother, we can tell you the same thing, but it gets us nowhere. The only thing I'm gonna do, I probably delete you and block you from the channel so you can't get to enjoy the reasoning them. So come in with something intelligent, okay? And get some intelligent response from other people. Alright. So, check this out. It is my opinion that the next gunner that Alkaline should be comparing himself with and throwing shots at. And him need to go stand up in front of this youth. Alkaline needs to go stand up in front of Massacre or Kaledo. Come here, Kaledo fling some lyrics the other day when he did I try war with Massacre. Me I say, well, Ross, me never know say Kaledo is one of them kind of artists there. But me not even put Kaledo in the league yet. Me I put somebody like IRA. Me I put somebody like Massacre more than anything else, me I say Massacre. Me I check out a couple tunes from Massacre like Hardball, and they have the video to it. Me I check out Them I Go Harder, Them I Go Dead. Check out Them I Go Dead from Massacre people. Check out Hardball. Check out Born Killer. Check out Everything Me Want. Everything Me Want is a classic. That makes the people there gonna go watch that one there. Go check out that one there. And the next one from the Young Gunner Massacre is called Make the Money. Me want to go check out them there. I feel this is more in Alkaline's league. Even Devin the Doctor, me not feel say Alkaline more lyrical than Devin the Doctor. Alkaline just have a hype because it started out with the eye thing and people thought it was real, then it went to the extreme bleaching and the whole heap of tattoo and the constant reference to Vybz Kartel in comparison, and that is what has propelled him ahead of the rest of the pack. Okay? It's not that he is that great actually. So him shouldn't be compared to greats yet, because he's not in that league there yet. So you want to tell me say Alkaline skip past Gully God after all the work Gully God put in for reach which part him there, turn up on stage and go toe to toe over Sting in front of thousands of people with none other than the one and only Vybz Kartel, lyrical mass murderer, stage presence, turn up on Buck, Vybz Kartel. Gully God go turn up over there, you know, in front of people, you know, and shell the thing, you know. In my opinion, him never win, but in a lot of other people's opinion, he stood his ground. That's why he is who he is today. So you can't put, there's no way that you can put Alkaline before Gully God when you talk about running dancehall. The youth might have some good songs, yes, and they might have doing thing in a 2016, yes, I agree, even though I don't like none of them songs that come out in a 2016 so far. I think they're mediocre and most of them still sound the same. It is repetitive. But big him up same way and I'm doing thing, but him not in that league there yet. So here what me I say. One of the wickedest artists out there, see, and if you can spar lyrically with this artist here, Alkaline, me not take off the crown. Me not go find Vybz Kartel and take off the crown and give it to you. If you can spar lyrically with Vybz Kartel on stage, toe to toe, face to face, me not say yes, Alkaline run dancehall and will probably be running it for the foreseeable future. But we know the Kartel they are jail or prisoner, we're not gonna say that. We're gonna be more realistic. Here what me I gonna fling out in front of you now. Me I gonna fling out Idonia. When time Alkaline can make a tune like Dark Clouds. People, Dark Clouds is brand new from Idonia. I want to go check out that tune, yeah. When time Alkaline can make a tune like Pretty Please, like Chartered Flight by Idonia and the Governor, Diablo, aka the Governor, Ball of Fire, me I go back, you know. When Alkaline can make tune like No Boring Girl, Tan Toddy, Boom Flick, Fiddy Jockey, hear the classic them now. When Alkaline can spit lyrics like Empty Gun or Hold the Trigger. When Alkaline can spit a classic like Big Matic. Big Matic not laugh, hit back and cough. What's one of them for yourself? When Alkaline can spit every tune like Bad Man a Step. Bad Man a Step for me. When Alkaline can spit every tune like We Run Uptown. No boy can't give me. When Alkaline can spit every tune like bad people there, move, move, move. When Alkaline can spit every tune like Gunshot. When Alkaline can spit every tune like Thunderous Clap. When Alkaline can spit every tune like Art of War. Yo, then we can say Alkaline is ready for run dancehall. Until then, he's a young youth, a lot of hype behind him, and that is what have him right now in front of everybody's eyes. I say, yes, the youth ready and him can do the thing. Him ready and him can do the thing, maybe, if him step out the way me say him for step out, and step out the way, or me I say him for step out. Go up on a stage like a Sting stage, although Sting dead and buried still, them have to go resurrect Sting. I don't know how them are going to do it, but them have to go resurrect Sting. I say Free Kartel and make him come out and give him like a good couple of months, like a 6-7 months. So I say, so we say Free Kartel free him by June. Free the man, hot summer. And make the man have time to free up himself and get real prepared now for Sting. And then offer Alkaline a big fat check and tell him to go meet Vybz Kartel over Sting. I saw another resurrect Sting. So I'm giving you the solution. Mr. Leng and the whole of them want to listen. I'm going to the solution how to resurrect Sting right now. Or Bokala Idonia versus a Vybz Kartel fresh from prison. Or do a Gully God part 2. Vybz Kartel Gully God part 2 over Sting. That's what we do. We got resurrect Sting. But back to the topic at hand. No. Alkaline. Hear me I say. Alkaline ain't ready. Alkaline have to go step out like something big and grand like that. When you are hiding from interviews in Jamaica, but you're willing to go do interview way out of Africa, where people not really hardly speak English in the terms where they don't really understand half of what you say. Because by the time you reach the second sentence, them still are puzzled through the first sentence, and cause them the way how they word things are pretty different, even though it sounds similar. When you're ready to go do interview all over the place, but you come and talk about you don't do interview, are you saying you don't do interviews in Jamaica? Why you don't do interviews in Jamaica? Why you don't do shows in Jamaica? I want the Alkaline fans them to answer this question. Why does he not do interviews and shows in Jamaica? Alright? You must go start do interviews and shows in Jamaica. You have one of the biggest move of your career. Your first album, a drop, after all this hype, and you come back to the home of dancehall music. Come on, people. Talk to me, man. You come back home to the home of dancehall music. You know what I say? Where this is the proving ground. If you're not bad in a dancehall music in a Jamaica, you can't bad in a dancehall music nowhere in the world. So you come back to the home and you got locked up in your little apartment. I saw me I read something instead of the man lock up. Instead of the man go over champs, go hype up the crowd, the big old crowd with their champs, and make the youngsters them jump up and go and enjoy themselves and say yes to the artist, them rate him. Them say the man lock up in an expensive apartment uptown and past champs, now do no spot, not even to promote the little album where I come out. A DJ Frost alone, me see I talk about him, a Grammy producer, and him there for the album, and the album might take a next Grammy and them thing there. That album then you level unlock, not take no Ross Clark Grammy. I'm sorry DJ Frost, and you yourself, you're not a damn yo, that was gonna beat him bad for that one I know. Frost, you are not a Grammy producer. You produce one song on Morgan Heritage album that won a Grammy. Majority of the album was produced by other people, to include Morgan Heritage as a collaborative themselves, as a collective themselves. So I don't know how to call you produce one song on the album, you call yourself Grammy producer. If that one song was not on the album would have still get a Grammy. So you're not a Grammy producer, alright? So with that said, don't try to come hype up the thing for Alkaline. Make Alkaline come out and do the groundwork in order to become great. If a Vybz Kartel spot him up, go off, I never see Vybz Kartel shy away from no interview yet. The man step up in anybody camera light, behind anybody microphone, in front of anybody present, and come with intelligence, self-marketing, genius, entrepreneurship, intelligence, and eloquently delivered his material wherever MD after same ideas conveyed it to the public. So if this is a person position you are come to take and I come talk about this is way you are going in a 2016, then you have to go through them ropes there. And that may I said nobody is hating on Alkaline, but we're just saying that him not built for this. He hasn't proven that yet, that he's built for this. One of the most things that Floyd Mayweather became the greatest boxer but by just boxing a couple of people here and there and shying away from 90% of the people that want to fight him. And that's all. You have to box out people where you know in your heart say, you're a rascal, the money I might knock off me, you know. But you know what I'm going to do? I believe in myself to the point where I'm going to train. I'm going to study my enemy, because right now, in my enemy, a theme spot me once, so I'm going to train. I'm going to study. I'm going to go down in the dungeons, and I'm going to go down there and train myself hard. Lyrically, as an artist, them a kind of artist, a dancehall artist, or as an athlete. And when I book that person here, I straight head I get ripped off. Even Usain Bolt have to do this. You know what I say? So I don't see how Alkaline can. Like I said, Alkaline would have to top somebody like a Idonia. He can't even top somebody like a Popcorn. So how in the friggin' world can he come and run dancehall just like that by dropping one EP and a whole string of in my bleach and all this back talking, in my bleach, you know, in my try Vybz Kartel, you know, in Thief Kartel image, you know. Watch that. The man all posing a camera the same way Kartel posing, you know. Him tattoo up himself the same way, you know. I understand, you know, I say Kartel no have no copyright to tattooing and bleaching the skin of him and the first and all them other things that he did his thing in a certain way though. Even his mannerisms you can tell was copied by Alkaline. But there I sit down the other day and I watch a video but Alkaline I get a tattoo on him neck. And I get a tattoo on him neck and listen what I playing in the background. Go on YouTube and Google the video. And I'm not Google, go on YouTube and YouTube the video where Alkaline is getting a tattoo while he's listening to who. And see who am I listening to. Vybz Kartel music him I listen to. So the man copy the man down to all them mannerisms. You understand what I'm saying to you? So with that said, he has a lot to overcome before he can be considered as leader of the pack, as the man in charge then, as somebody where they in a Vybz Kartel legendary position then. Him can't compare right now. Right now, this is like a kid. You ever see some, you know, I'll give you one analogy before I get out of here. SouFLoTV, if you watch the video this far, the topic is about, as you know, why Alkaline is not ready and cannot take over dancehall at this very moment. Okay? This is not a hate video against the young youth. This is a video explaining, intelligently explaining why. Alright? So, one more analogy before I get out of here. This is like, you have a dam lock a certain area, right? And the dam lock the area for many years. You have some hurry come up young youth now, somebody give him a gun, and him feel say my the body sting around. He might get some things from consignment and him not even know say down the line that thing there come from that down will lock the place there. So he might buff up himself all over the place now and I go on like say and him a run the place because he make two mad moves the other day and everybody know him name now. Now, when him confronted by the real Don who really lock the place and him get to be confronted by the actual individual who really lock the place and him get to see the things that he would really have to do in order to lock the place. Guess what? Him piss up himself. Him run like thief. Him run like one time pussy dog. You understand what I say? So, me don't know. Wanna like, comment, share, and subscribe and talk to me. Let's keep it where it is. It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm up out of here. Peace. And we done say as usual, free Vybz Kartel, and we done say as usual, big up Alkaline same way now. Young youth are going to do them thing. Free Vybz Kartel. Alright, free Buju Banton too. SouFLoTV, we up out of here, man.